In this video, I will show you how to install AVG antivirus for free on your computer or laptop. I will go step by step so you can follow along without any confusion. We will download the program, install it. Let's get started. Open any web browser and search avg.com. And here you're going to click free download. It's now downloaded. We're going to open the downloads folder here and click this one that we just downloaded. Here we're going to click yes. And here to install the program, we're just going to simply click install. This is all you need to do to download AVG antivirus for free on your computer or laptop. If you found this video helpful, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.